Hey there, me again. Just want to go over some test tips. So while you're taking the test, here are some tips for you to remember. Slow down. This isn't a race. There's no prize for finishing first. I'd rather you slow down, take your time, and do your best on this test. Next, use the test to take the test, meaning how can I have some of the questions help me on others? So sometimes a strategy is if we get stuck to skip a question and then continue on the test. And sometimes the questions will help us answer the one that we're stuck on. So use the test to take the test. Do not choose answer choices we didn't discuss in class. So if this is all brand new information for you, or you look at that answer, odds are that it's not an answer that would be appropriate for that question. Read everything carefully. This is probably the most important one as far as sixth graders that they will mess up on is they rush through it quick. They're not reading everything. So make sure you read everything carefully and pay attention to the bold and underlined words. A lot of times we just kind of skim through it and we think we know, but we miss a lot of important information because we're not reading everything carefully. And then number 5, listen to the test. Put your earbuds in. You can tap the play button and it'll play it for you, and you can listen to it as you read it as well. It's just another good way to have that information sink in and be able to understand it. As far as after the test, so let's say I finish the test, you will see a score, but you won't be able to see the questions you got incorrect or that you got correct. Do not ask about a retake. I will come and we'll talk about that later on Monday. Read, you could do Sudoku, there's word finds, you could color, there's drawing, you could draw as well, but there's no iPad. So on the back counter, you'll see some coloring sheets and some word finds and Sudoku, you can do that. Or if you have your own materials, you can use that as well. So at this point, if you're ready, you can get settled. Make sure you have your earbuds out. You're relaxed or quiet. If there's any final questions, you can raise your hand. Teacher will come around and help you. Just a reminder that it's on Canvas, and this is the only place you should be on within your iPad. In the test, click Launch External Tool. They'll be at the bottom in the middle of your screen. And then enter the access code, which is SPACE, all capital letters, SPACE, all capital letters. And then you may begin. You'll do awesome. And if we don't, that's fine. We'll come back and we'll help you out as we move forward. Good luck, and you will do amazing no matter what the score tells us. Best effort is what we're looking for.